Vautid, the wear protection specialist for over 60 years. Founded by Dr. Hans Wahl, one of the first scientists to conduct systematic research on wear processes. Soon after the end of the Second World War, a small Stuttgart laboratory produced the first welding electrodes designed to protect mechanical components and plant at risk of wear. Thanks to this breakthrough, it was now possible to create a surface considerably harder than the mineral responsible for wear. The company subsequently moved to Ostfildern-Ruit, not far from Stuttgart. The first production facilities for hard-facing materials were created. From these humble beginnings was to spring an international corporate group. Sales companies in Austria, Belgium and France, foundries in Portugal, and subsidiaries in Bangkok, Mumbai and China underline its global activity. Vautid enjoys first-class representation in all major markets. Dr. Wolfgang Wahl, the son of the company's founder, managed the business from the middle of the 70s through to 2007. These days, the Vautid Group is managed by Dr. Thomas Kremer-Wasserka. Vautid's ongoing success is based on the research tradition established by its founder, Dr. Hans Wahl. The company's own laboratory systematically researches wear conditions and assesses hard-facing materials for suitability. Material solutions are created on the basis of this fundamental research that guarantee customers the highest quality and operating safety. The Vautid Group adheres to strict quality standards, from the receipt of goods to the final inspection, and is certified according to ISO 9000. Vautid manufactures wear, heat and corrosion-resistant materials and products. Protection is supplied by build-up welding using hand electrodes, manufactured in Ostfildern near Stuttgart and dispatched around the world. A high-performance alternative to hand electrodes is offered by tubular wire, also produced in Ostfildern. Wear plates made of normal steel with a hard-facing layer of between 3 and 17 mm thicknesses have been part of the company's product range for over 30 years. These wear plates are produced in Wendlingen using the latest in plant technology. At the same time, the company began developing wear-resistant casting materials. Vautid's 3 Portuguese foundries manufacture cast components in a range of weights from 1 kg to 5,000 kg. Typical materials are chill, steel or even manganese steel castings. Series production parts for the construction and construction materials industries are produced using high-tech molding equipment. Sand processing and mixing facilities increase productivity in the foundries. The foundry sand is almost completely recycled. Complicated one-off products with a maximum weight of 5 tons are produced using hand-operated molding equipment. Material samples prior to casting ensure the quality of castings remains constant. The material must be approved before casting can take place. Once cast, the material and sand mold are separated using automated machines. The castings are then blasted and fettled by hand. Many components require both mechanical processing and heat treatment, procedures that are carried out in Vautid's own production facilities. Vautid offers servicing in its own workshops or on the customer's premises. Its range of products and services includes the regeneration of crusher rolls, crushing tools and other components used in the steel and construction materials industries. With its 6 different wear protection technologies, Vautid offers the most comprehensive protection against wear created by abrasion, heat or corrosion. The production of hard-facing materials, wear plates and casting materials makes it possible. Furthermore, Vautid offers a wear protection service, whether on-site or in its own workshops, for the regeneration of worn components. The wear protection range also features special hard materials and even plastics. A few application examples. Wear protection in the mining industry. Wear plates or hard-facing materials protect the shovels of excavators and bucket wheel excavators. Machinery used both for extracting and processing minerals in sand and gravel pits are protected by Vautid wear protection technology. Vautid wear plates offer wear protection for wheel loader excavating shovels and augers used to convey minerals from the extraction site. The cement industry. Grinding tools used in the extraction and milling of raw materials are protected by Vautid hard-facing materials. Ventilators used to dry minerals are made of Vautid wear plates, thereby reducing the necessarily high degree of wear in the ventilation zone. 4 hearths and firing chambers used in clinker production are lined with cast Vautid tiles and wear plates and therefore offer long-term resistance to mineral wear. Rotary kiln backup rolls withstand wear thanks to Vautid electrodes. The process of cooling clinker doesn't only cause wear, it is also associated with extremely high temperatures. Vautid tubular wire enhances wear protection and the heat resistance of the grids. Vautid hard-facing materials protect high-pressure rolls used to grind clinker. Compressed air transport of cement generates a high degree of wear in all piping. These can also be manufactured using Vautid wear plates for optimized wear protection. Steel industry. Machinery such as sinter crushers are simultaneously exposed to extreme wear and high temperatures. Vautid casting and hard-facing materials extend the lifetime of machinery. The same can be said of their application in coal-fired power stations. Crusher rolls used for crushing coal are armored using Vautid hard-facing materials. Worn casting segments can be regenerated. A maximum facing thickness of 150 mm applied in 50 layers is possible. The original shape of worn grinding discs and rolls can be restored using hard-facing materials. Wear encountered in waste incineration plants is mainly concentrated on the grids where waste is deposited for burning. The grids are exposed to wear caused by the waste materials and heat. To combat this, Vautid has developed casting materials that are wear, heat and corrosion resistant. The construction industry. One of the most varied fields of application for Vautid products is construction machinery. Vautid is present in practically every concrete mixer and an essential partner for leading concrete mixing machinery manufacturers. Concrete pumps in action, protected from wear by Vautid. Like concrete, mortar and render are also processed using feeder pumps. Vautid is the leading supplier of concrete and mortar machinery manufacturers. Such varied customer demographics can only be served by a professional sales organization. Products produced in the different facilities are stored in a huge central warehouse before being dispatched to customers. The sales organization takes the form of a team. The cooperation of highly qualified employees is the key to the Vautid Group's success. Innovation has always been the company's driving force. The history of wear protection began way back in 1946. Since then, innovation has been ongoing. 1948. Development of wear protection electrodes. 1958. Expansion of the product range to include wear and heat-resistant casting materials. 1970. Manufacture of wear plates begins. 1980. Manufacture of products featuring bimetal casting begins. End of the 90s. Development of components that combine casting materials with ceramic or tungsten carbide. Cement mixer shovels made of Vautid composite since 2006. White iron products with a ceramic component of more than 60%. 2007. Launch of an extremely wear and heat-resistant welding material, Vautid V149 Everlast, which is particularly suitable for applications in the steel industry. Bimetal casting products for components exposed to extreme wear during the processing of ultra-hard minerals, for example, embedded ceramic components or composite rods for use in cement mixers with ceramic. Vautid, the environmentally friendly company. A long lifetime means sustainability. Sustainability is active environmental protection. By promoting a sparing use of resources, Vautid protects the environment. For instance, the Vautid foundries reintroduce scrap and components from previous Vautid production series into the material cycle for reprocessing. Vautid, an innovative and environmentally friendly company.